In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Google Chat. If your Google Chat interface is showing in the wrong language, or you simply want to switch to one that's easier for you to use, the good news is that this setting is tied to your Google account and only takes a moment to update. Once you change it, Google Chat and other Google services may begin reflecting that language preference as well. To get started, go to your Google account settings. This is where Google stores your overall account preferences, including the language used across many of its products. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before continuing, especially if you use more than one account in the same browser. Once you're in your Google account, look to the left-hand column and click on Personal Info. This section contains your basic account details and preferences, including the language setting you'll need for Google Chat. After that, find and click on Language. This will open the page where your current Google account language is listed. If Google Chat is currently appearing in a language you don't want, this is the exact place where you can fix it. Next, click on the pen icon next to your current language. The pen icon lets you edit your existing language preference. When you click it, Google will show you a list of available languages that you can choose from. Now click on your new primary language. Take a moment here to select the one you want carefully, since this will become the main display language for supported Google services connected to your account. In some cases, Google may ask you to choose a country or regional variation for that language. For example, if you select English, you may be asked to choose between different versions, such as English for a specific country or region. If that appears, click on the country specification that best matches your preference. Once everything looks right, click Save. This confirms the change and updates your language preference for your Google account. After saving, you may notice the interface update right away, although sometimes it can take a short moment to fully refresh. If Google Chat doesn't switch immediately, try refreshing the page or reopening the app or browser tab. That's all it takes to change the language in Google Chat and make your experience more comfortable and easier to navigate.